There's no doubt that summertime can be busy, and the last thing you want to be spending your time on is worrying about what's for dinner. These make-ahead meats are perfect for summer and will give you more time to spend playing with your friends and family. Once a week, I cook loads of meat. Today I'm cooking a pork roast and a beef roast, but I'm also going to shred up a rotisserie chicken so it's ready to go as well. For the pork roast, the first thing you want to do is cut it into smaller pieces. I can't with this one because it has a massive bone in it, but if you cut it into smaller pieces, this roast would take about 40 minutes to cook. Since I'm cooking it as one large roast, it's probably going to take me closer to 90 minutes. Get your Instant Pot started by pressing manual and then saute. Coat the bottom of the Instant Pot with some olive oil, then prepare your pork. In a separate bowl, I mix half a teaspoon chili powder, 2 teaspoons of cumin, 1 teaspoon dry mustard, 1 cup of sugar, and mix it all together well. Put the pork in the Instant Pot and pour the spice mixture and sugar over it. Then add your cola. This recipe I have calls for 8 ounces of real cola, but I figured with the sugar there's enough sweet in that seasoning, so I use diet cola. The soda helps tenderize the pork. Then add some garlic, a jar of mole sauce, or you could use adobo sauce if you want a smokier flavor. Put the lid on and make sure it's sealed and not venting. Then set it to manual, and I'm going to start at 45 minutes, but I'm pretty sure once I check that, I'm going to have to go longer. I ended up cooking this roast for 70 minutes, but you can see it's perfectly done and it shreds nicely. I divide this up into baggies and store them in my freezer. With this, I can make a quick meal by adding barbecue sauce to make pork sliders. I could also add this to a salad for a nice pulled pork salad. You can make this into street tacos or even burritos. I have a video on how to make homemade tortillas that are high in protein, and I'll link that in the description box below. For the beef roast, I turn on my slow cooker to medium and then place my roast in it. Over the top, I add onion powder and garlic powder, and if you want a stronger onion and garlic flavor, you can just cook the roast using cut up fresh onions and garlic. I like to keep this a little less flavored, and then I season it depending on what I'm making with it. Then I'll add some pepper and salt and a couple of bay leaves. Add some beef stock, let that cook until it falls off the bone, about 4 to 5 hours. With this roast, I can make it into chimichangas, enchiladas, sloppy joes, or even French dip sandwiches. You could also make it into a Philly cheesesteak sandwich. I have a video on how to quickly debone a rotisserie chicken that I will link in the description box below, and with that chicken, I can make tacos, chicken fettuccine, or even our favorite, chicken salad. Thanks for watching.